Hello friends, welcome back. Would you like to build your dream home? Would you rather build your crazy house? Like this video and subscribe to the channel to watch such fun videos. So let's start. First quiz, choose your house from these. Which bedroom would you like to sleep on? Choose your bedroom. Choose your jacuzzi. Are you hungry? Then choose your kitchen. Can you find the most different emoji from these? Look carefully. Choose your food. Do you like bathing? Then choose your bathtub. Choose your beanbag chair. Have you slept on this bed? I like to bathe and have fun in the water park. Can you find the most different emoji from these? Look carefully. Choose your door. Choose your chill place. Which Almira would you like to have? Choose your favorite car. Choose your indoor pool. Choose your toilet. different emoji from these? Look carefully. Do you have stairs like this in your house? Which room do you like to live in? Love your living room. Choose your chair. Choose your dining table. Choose your refrigerator. Which bed would you like to sleep on? Find the odd one out, Duck. Choose your water fontaine. Choose your house dog. Choose your penguin. Choose your bounce house. Choose your villa. Choose your home theater. Choose your table lamp. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share this video with your friends.